Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I style my new Eden hair extensions. I received these clip-in extensions the other day. They are the shade Off Black. They are the new 24-inch, 240 grams. So they are very luxurious. I'm not very savvy with my hair, so I thought this was a really cool idea to show you how I style my hair, how I put them in, because I am a complete novice when it comes to any kind of hairstyling. I literally wear my hair in a bun every day. So this should be interesting, and I'm really excited to try them out and pretend that I have long hair. So let's roll right into it.
You wanna dance?
Okay, so here it is, the final hair look. This was pretty easy to do. I'm not gonna lie, I did look online to see how you're actually meant to put in clip-in hair extensions because I need all the help that I can get. But they were actually really easy to put in. I have very slippery, very fine hair, but I found that because I put a little bit of texturizing powder in prior to putting the hair extensions in, it gave them some grip. Normally I would actually tease them a little bit to give my hair a little bit of texture and then give the clip-in something to clip onto, but they're sitting in there right now with like no teasing done, just a little bit of texturizing powder, and they feel pretty strong. Like I can move my hair, like zhuzh it, everything, and it's sitting really nicely and I love it. And oh my god, I have long hair. How fun. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this helped to give you a little bit of insight onto how these extensions are. So thank you, Eden, for sending these to me. I'm very, very lucky. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.